Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Respected brothers and sisters, elders and mothers, at Alhidaya Croydon, this Saturday 14th December from 4 p.m. onwards, hear the history of how 200 medical students from Gaza were enrolled in Pakistan medical colleges to continue and complete the last 2 years of studies. This heroic deed of these doctor heroes from among us, something we all need to listen to, learn from, and respond to. Please join them in person on Saturday, 14th December at 4 p.m. at Alhidaya Croydon. Also, Qari Yusuf Asayid from Egypt, Brother Umar Lawang, Alhidaya student, Brother Nubaid, Alhidaya student, will make the event spectacular with their amazing recitations, inshallah.
فإنه يتوب إلى الله متابا.
And even for the entire family, not to be missed on Saturday, 14th of December at Alhidaya. We need inspirations in our life. Our children who are growing in these environments need inspirations. We need to build the resilience in our future generations to face such challenges. Let us hear from the brothers in our own community who made this amazing journey and are working to enroll another 100 medics in Pakistan in the coming days. Let us unite in making a difference in Gaza. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh.